Yoi! Today is another day of me showing you guys what I'm printing for my new home. This time we're going back to the kitchen. All functional items. I was thinking if it was all storage items, but it isn't. So forget that. Yeah, let's go. This first one is a cutting board rack. I printed it because this way we can move the boards around freely. They don't have to stay near the wall. There you go. This one was simple, just a stand for the cutting boards. The next one though didn't go so well. I actually had to try it, well, a couple of times. The legs printed fine, no problem at all. But that was the only one. I had to print at least 2 times each part. At least 2 of the fails were at the start, so we didn't waste that much. So I bumped up the head temperature a little bit and it helped. I also reduced the speed of the print and it worked. It wasn't perfect, but I was able to print it all and use it, so I guess it worked. I think this was the first time it happened to me, but oh well, here's the result. Now I just have to assemble it. Bear with me, this will take a while. If you don't want to see it, feel free to skip to the next one. So I had to do a bit of handcrafting to be able to fit everything, but I didn't record it, so I'll just show the final result. I will put it somewhere around this line. It should be a good width for my cabinet shelf. And there we go. One final look. This is the result. Now let's put it in place. This is how it looks before, and this is how it looks after. I got a bit extra space, so I think it was worth it. Okay, now the next and final one. I was going to make 2 of the expandable shelf initially, but after having so many issues, I decided to make a different one. And this is it. It was super simple to print and it does the job. It actually has a customizable size, so it isn't really expandable, but you can customize it as you need, so it did the job just as good. And it's a lot simpler. As you can see, I gained a bit of space here as well. This one was even bigger of a difference. It was all worth it. That's all for today. Next one will probably be kitchen again. There's a lot of stuff to do for the kitchen, because that's a lot of stuff to store. So yeah, if you want to see the next one, subscribe, and thank you for watching.